Okay, so today I am going to show you how to make a winter formula windshield wiper fluid. Okay, it would be around if you get the isopropyl alcohol at Walmart, the 91%, 32 ounces, only $2.50. But this formula required 8 ounces, okay, about up to here. So 8 ounces versus 32, that's mean you were able to do only 4 amount of formula in here. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot in here, but I'm just going to use this for demonstration. Plus, this is summer anyway. I don't need to put it in, but you will need it for the winter formula. This is specialated for winter formula, okay, only. Please remember that. And it would be about, I would say, close to $1 a gallon. Okay, what you will need is rubbing alcohol, the isopropyl rubbing alcohol, the 91%. Okay, this is only 70, but you want the 91%. Better protection in the winter. You need 8 ounces of those per gallon. Okay, a gallon of water, 2 ounces of Fabuloso, and ammonia. But please do not mix the chemical not accordingly, okay? Because if you do, you're going to create a gas. You don't want that. The first thing on this formula, you want to put the alcohol in first. Shake it really well, okay? You want to shake the alcohol really well so it's really diluted. Then the next thing, you want to put 2 ounces of your Fabuloso in. I'm going to skip the alcohol because I don't have enough, and plus I need it for summer anyway. So I'm going this is just for demonstration only. But for you, when you make this formula, you need 2 ounces, okay? So let's skip that part. Then I need, 8 ounces. Then I need 2 ounces of this here. And then I'm going to pour that in. Okay. Sometimes I put extra in there, but you don't have to. Oops. Sorry. Camera out of. I'm going to pour a little bit extra because I like it a little bit extra. Especially when it's really bad out or something, whatever. Just a little bit. That's me though. But the formula is 2 ounces. And then I pump my ammonia in. And I need about, depend. 1 ounce, 2 ounces. Depend on you. But the formula for this is also 2 ounces. Okay? And that's it. You're done. Shake everything. Okay, remember, it has to be shaken well. And during the winter, leave this open a little bit. If you're not going to pour right in right away, leave it open a little bit when you first mix it, okay? So that way, in case there's any gases or molecules or anything, gas molecules escaping, it will escape, so it won't blow this up. It doesn't. But I'm just saying that in case you mix it extra or whatever, make sure of that. Okay? So, here it is again. Here's all the formula. Okay? 8 ounces of isopropyl 91% alcohol. 2 ounces of Fabuloso. 1 gallon of water. And 1 to 2 ounces of ammonia. That's depend on you. I like it 2 ounces, okay? But if you don't feel like mixing things together, like chemical together, then just do 1. That would be enough to dilute in here. And all you need is just a measuring cup and a funnel. That's all you need. And it accumulates to about close to it depends on your prices where you are from, but I would say close to $1. So it will be $1 a gallon. Now winter formula, oh, I forgot. You can put, if you want to be fun, put food coloring in there. If you want to make it to fool you, put food coloring in there, like blue for winter, and then green for the summer. Okay, I'll link the summer formula up here. You can watch that video. It's even easier than this. So, but I wanted to do separately because that way people can do things separately, because sometimes when you do all together and people would say this, say that, so I'm going to make 2 separate videos so that way they can't say anything. I mean, I don't really want to sit there and argue with people, you know, so it's kind of, some people are just idiots, most. But anyway, but that's how easy it is. And if, like I said, since this is winter, you want to leave this out just a little bit, and as soon as you mix it, just leave this cap up a little bit. I chose this because it's able to shake. I mean, if you're able to shake orange juices, right, you'll be able to shake that. But here's the best part. If you look underneath there, it says HDD. It's like a chemical recycle formula, and you can probably see it in here. Can you see it in there? You won't be able to see it. No, it's the lighting will be the recycle is number, I don't even know what number it is. Let me look. It's HDPE, but I don't know what the number it is. I can't see it. It's so, I'm sorry, I can't see because it's so dark in here. But anyway, if you look underneath there, you will see the symbol right here. And it's HD, sort of like for high def, maybe. I don't know, but anyway, maybe that's what stand for. No, only joking. But that's the bottle that comes in here, so it won't get ruined. Or you can take your old windshield fluid bottle. You can put that in there too. And like I stated before, if you want to differentiate between winter and summer formula, you would use the food coloring, so you will know winter would be blue and then summer will be green, so then you know which one's which. And food coloring is pretty cheap. Drop however you like, the darker you like or the lighter you like. For me though, I only put, like for me, I save this, a lot of these orange juice jugs here, and I do them all at once. And then for the winter one, I just put a little sticker on here. For the summer one, I don't put anything on there, so I'll know. But then sometimes you forget. So then another thing that I did was I peel the label off, so I'll know the non-label is for summer and the label one is for winter. But I save all those, and I get to keep them. I get to drink it, and I get to keep the bottle for free too. And like I said, and it's non-spillable. See, it's non-spillable. It won't pop out, and that's what best part about this. And that's why they made it so you can shake it. So literally, you can actually shake this, and it won't pop out. And yes, another thing. Oh, here's another best thing. It's easy to pour. That's what's great about these bottles. So we buy them, we drink them, and then we save them. That's how I get my free, not free, 30 cents a gallon for summer, and then about less than $1 for winter. And that's how we save money. And the best part of them all, when you're in a car, you no longer say, oh, I don't want to waste my windshield wiper. You no longer feel guilty because it's so cheap. It's so easy to done that you no longer feel guilty for using your windshield fluid. So like just a little bit of just a little bit of things like dust or a little snow or something, we just squirt the hell out of it because we don't feel guilty no more because it's so cheap. But when you're spending like the formula for winter. It's $5.99 for winter. That's $6. $6 for 7 to, and actually winter formula, it cost me about close to $1 per gallon. But for them, it's $5.99. That's like what? I saved $5. So you can tell right there. And then after this video here, I'm actually going to add my bonus video, that how I clean it, and you can see it's streak free. But other than that, that's about it. That's an easy, quick, simple formula for your your windshield fluid. And best of all, like I said, and I will say it one more time, best of all, you will no longer feel guilty for washing your windshield fluid or washing windshield wiper, because it is no longer cost. You can actually clean this for your bathroom too. I have that in my formula here. I used that formula here. I use this for my bathroom mirrors and stuff, and it works too. So you can try that too. I should make another video of that too. But that's how I do it. And it's really easy, quick, and simple. But in the house though, I use vinegar instead. Okay? My gram does not like ammonia. She just hates ammonia. So I put just a little bit in. This is for household, okay? Just a little bit of ammonia. And then I put vinegar in. And remember, do not mix the chemical, okay? I do not use isopropyl alcohol in my house. I do with my pet, but that's another thing. But I use vinegar instead, and that's safer. So please remember, when you're mixing with chemical, I wanted to warn you before I end this video, when you mix with chemical, please be careful and do it outside, just in case you know, gas is coming out of there. But if you mix it correctly, like the way the order correctly, then you don't have to worry. But I want to warn you anyway, just for safety purposes, because, you know, after all, we need to be safe before we do such thing. But anyway, I hope that this video is helpful, and I hope you can take this formula and actually save some money on it. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so here's the bonus in my Graham's kitchen. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Oh, that guy just walked around. I don't know if you'll be able to see. There's little specks on here, little round specks, okay? Right here, maybe. Right there. You can probably see right now, little specks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it. But I'm going to demonstrate something further. You hear that squeaking? You hear that? That squeaky noise? You hear that? That's what that does. And because of that squeaky noise, now look, there's no streaks. Even I put my finger on it. That's actually outside now. Did you see? No squeakies. And look, I can't even dirty it. That's how good this formula is. And then watch. I'm gonna put some on. And look. You see that sound? That's when you know. That's when you know that you won't get squeaks. You see that? And then just a quick wipe. You hear that? Squeaky sound. And this, remember, this is my summer formula. And see? Streak free. I know you can't see it, but I'm gonna go on the side maybe. Downward. No. Upward. Well, you're gonna have to try it. I'm sorry I can't do it on this video because the lighting from there, I can't get it to. But you can tell by the sound. That's the best part. So I just hope that, you know, This bonus footage would help you to go further and make your own windshield fluid wipers, because it saves me a lot of money. Well, save us a lot of money, and it's also streak free too. And yes, you can clean this on your windows, I mean your mirrors. Use this small formula too on your mirrors. But other than that, I mean, I guess that's about it on the demonstration, because like I said, the squeakiness of the glass alone will tell you something. Just for that sound will tell you that it's going to be clean. Other than that, that's about it, and I hope you will find this useful.